tons of hair questions the past few days. I'm making a reel to show you guys exactly what I've been doing. This is the V-Clip Volumizer from Hidden Crown. The greatest temporary extensions that I've ever found. It's very similar to a halo, except there's no wire. It has these clips. This is my hair before. You part your hair kind of half up. You want to leave some pieces out. Tie it up like this. I say the quality of this hair is like so soft. When I first opened it, I was like, oh my gosh. Make sure you're all lined up, and then you kind of just push it onto your hair. That you take the rest of your hair. Okay, so I feel like this already looks so good. Color is like perfect. The curling wand, also from Hidden Crown. I really like this curling wand for curling extensions because it's extra long barrel, which is really nice. The tip is to make sure you take some of your real hair and curl it with the extension hair like this. It just makes it mesh together. Okay, and then I just like to shake the curls out. And at the end of the day, I put it back in the bag and hang it up. Best temporary extensions I've ever found. Super comfy, stays in place all day.